good morning everyone present here. Today we are going to do fruits activity. Fruits. Fruits are the edible part of the plant. It is a sweet, fleshy, it is the edible part of the plant. Generally, fruits are eaten raw. The fruits contain seed. They come wide varieties of colors, shapes and flavors. Fruits are an essential source of vitamin, minerals and rich in fiber. Fruits give wide range of boosting energy and antioxidant and flavonoids. When fruits are rich in diet, it prevents heart disease, it prevents cancer, inflammation and diabetes. So today we are going to know about few fruits. So here from alphabetical order we are going to know the fruits. Shall we start the activity? Say A for an apple. A for an apple. A for an apricot. K for kiwi. Kiwi. L for a line. L for a line. L for a lychee. L for a lychee. Which is your favorite fruit? Apple. You will eat apple, right? From today onwards, you will not eat junk food, right? Very good. Then put a clap. Jeevita, stand up. Which is your favorite fruit? Grapes. From today onwards, you should eat fruit, okay? No kurkure, no lace, no ice cream, no biscuit, okay? Wow, super. Chaitanya, which is your favorite fruit? Mango. From today onwards, you should eat mango. Then you grow. the world, reaching up to 16 cm long and weighing up to 18 kg. It is a ellipsoidal and aggregated, composed flesh, stringy core, almost which is enclosed by bumpy rind. Thank you.
Custard apple is an edible tropical fruit. It grows on small tree with a fragrant flower and edible fruits. Custard apple is in irregular shape, round and heart shape. Its taste is very tasty, very sweet. Its pulp is in white and very creamy with so many red seeds. So the vitamins, minerals and antioxidants are found so plenty of in it. Custard apple is my favorite fruit. And custard, we can somebody tell sitapal and sugar apple also to custard apple. Custard apple we can use for medicines, we can use for jam, jelly, ice creams. And another thing is, after washing its seeds, we can play with that also. So this is an amazing food. I love this food very much. Thank you.
Grapes is a group of fruit that can be grown in cluster 50 to 300 and dark, black, blue, orange, pink. White grapes are actually green in color and are evolutionarily derived from purple grapes.
Kiwi fruit. The ellipsoidal kiwi fruit is blueberry and has furry brownish green skin. The fern translate green flesh has numerous edible purple black seeds. The endoded around white center. The delicious leaves are worn alternately on long petals and young leaves covered with radish hair. Thank you.
Star fruit is very low in calories but are a good source for fiber, which is important for digestive health as well as vitamins and minerals. Thank you.
Hi, I am coconut. The botanical name for the coconut is Cocos nuciferea, with cocos believed to come from Spanish, meaning monkey face. Nuciferea come from Latin, meaning nut-bearing plant. Thank you.
Chico is oval and round shape that is brown can skin color and with hard surface. That white pulp is higher contents of latex and black and brown seeds inside.
An orange extract of shiny acid skin that holds acid in outside layer and inside the fruit is divided into segments which have thin that hold together many little stems with juice inside, and then it's very sweet and sour, and then there are usually 10 segments in an orange, but sometimes there are more or less. Thank you.
Guava fruit is the sources of vitamin C, fiber and other substances that act like antioxidants. It will stop the harmful effect of oxidation. Oh, thank you.
Is a native of tropical and subtropical of America, has been introduced in elsewhere. The fruit has been characterized ingredient in vegetables, meat, fishes, and dishes of rice. Where has usually termed pan-Asia cuisines, and the fruit is eaten freshly and cannot worldwide. Thank you.
Pomegranate is the bush or small tree and it's the family of the Lythraceae and its fruit. It is a good healthy eat that becomes and it is the highest high fiber of the dietary fiber, and it's folic acid, vitamin C and vitamin K, and it is used of the source of the granite sources of the syrup, and its fiber promoter grain is the liquid and folic acids.
Cherries are small round fruit that can be sweet or sour. They grow out tree. Cherries are grow out the world. Cherries tree produce sweet cherries and sour cherries, sweet and cold cherries.
Other name is grapefruit. It is a citrus fruit which is known as scientifically Citrus paradisea. It is a medium-sized fruit, belongs to Rutaceae family. It is a good source of healthy vitamin C and other nutrients is there. Thank you.
Apples are among the world's most popular fruit. They grow on the Antarctic. It is from Central Asia. They are all very high in fibers, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. They all are fairly conservative with low calorie foods. Okay, watermelon, it is a fruit and a huge fruit and it's an excellent fruit. It is native from tropical Africa and it contains vitamin C and vitamin A. Sometimes this can be eaten as a raw fruit. And this is very much beautiful fruit where everyone can eat, and this can be eaten as raw also. So this is what watermelon. Okay.
Hey, don't give up. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that is low in calories, high in fiber and antioxidant. Some people say it tastes like a cross between a pear and a kiwi. You can slice and eat the fruit with yogurt or add a smoothie or salad. Thank you.
Blueberry is a small fruit. It's a round shape. Tutti plants are called shrubs. It's a grown up North America. It's a monthly fruits of May to October. It's a sweet fruit. Thank you.
Muskmelon can help to improve the strength and immunity problem looking to age easily for digestive body for digestive diseases. Muskmelon is a vitamin A fruit. Thank you.
Pear fruits are generally sweeter and of softer structure than apples and are distinguished by the presence of hard cells in their flesh, so they call grit or stone cells. In generally, pear fruits are elongated, being narrow at the stem and broader at the opposite end. Thank you.
Papaya. The papaya fruit is slightly with an agreeable musky plant, which are the most pronounced, some as varieties and some as climates them. It is most popular breakfast foods in many countries, and it also used in salad, piped sherbets and juice and confection. The unripe fruits can be cooked like squash. Thank you.
Good morning everyone present here. Today we are going to know about fruit. Fruit is the sweet and fleshy edible part of the plant. Fruit contains seed. Fruits usually eaten raw. Fruits they come from wide varieties of colors, shapes and flavors. Fruits also an essential source of vitamin and minerals and rich in fiber. Fruits also provide health-boosting antioxidants and flavonoids. Eating rich in diet fruits and vegetables can reduce the preventing risk of developing heart disease, cancer, inflammation and diabetes.
Ice,